This question is to find the circle of convergence of this given series form. So from the textbook, we already learned the general procedure to find the circle of convergence of a given function. So first, we need to use the function within the sum. In this case, it is 2 to the power of j times z minus 1 to the power of j. We are going to use j plus 1 and j separately to be substituted into this function. And then we are going to take the limit of the ratio of these two functions. So based on what we just discussed, first step, take the limit of these two functions using j plus 1 and j to be substituted into this given function. And after simplifying it, we can get it becomes limit when j is approximate to infinite 2 times z minus 1. And the next step, we need to figure out the coefficient right ahead of z. In this case, it is 2. So based on the definition, 2 times the radius of the circle should be 1. So we can write down this equation. 2 times r equals 1. 2 is the parameter right before z, which means 2 times z in this case. So we can get the radius of the circle of convergence for this given function is 1/2. And there is another method. Based on the definition, the value we get, the limit, the modulus should be less than 1. So if we want to open this modulus mark, we can get z should be between 1/2 and 3/2, which means it is a circle, and the radius is half. 3/2 minus 1/2, which is 1/2. So using two methods, we get the same result. And this is the circle of convergence for this given function.